Okay, so you've seen the title. Let's get into it. Like, I don't know. I'm hungry, so this is why I'm just doing this now. I think you see me flipping, cutting my hands in. So this is it. Alright. One, two, now there's like 5 packs and one. Okay. Let's do this. Yeah. This could take a bit of time to cook up, but 20 packs. I've never done a mukbang, whatever it's called. But 20 packs. The most packs of noodles I've ate is 4. And that's the Maggi noodles. So let's do this. But let me show you some. Got this yesterday. Don't think it'll hold 20 packs. So I think this is bigger than this, isn't it? Anyway, there's 2 bowls there. Hopefully get 20 in this bowl. If not, I'll just divide it out. But yeah, let's get to cooking. There's sachets in these. There's like sachets in these that has to be put on after the noodles are cooked. That's what makes them extra hot. 2 times spicy. Okay, let's do this. I'll get all the packs, the wee packets out, empty it into some sort of like, I don't know what, I do not know what I could empty the packs into. Because it has to hold a lot of sauce. Could maybe put them in this one, maybe put all the sauce in this one and just pour all the sauce on it after they're done. Okay, right. Go stop this and get all the sachets out, and then I'll like fast forward everything once I get the sashes out. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Whew. I got a noodle on the bottom of my sock. Holy shit, look, I am sweating balls and it's just cooking it. Okay. Let me get into this here right now. The video that I seen, I'm going to try, I'll maybe leave a link to it because there is no way he ate 15 packs of them on that one plate whenever I've had to use a massive bowl and another flipping, what you call them, a dish for the oven. Like, look at the size of them. And that's 20. He ate 15 packs and it fed it onto one plate. These YouTubers, like, but at least they give me an idea. So, time to get stuck in. There's not a chance in hell there's not a chance in hell that there dude ate 15 packs of these under 10 minutes. Like 9 minutes and 20 odd seconds. And I'll leave the link here. Sorry, just getting the legs up there. Okay, so isn't this fantastic? Like, what? Like, I don't... Like, for real, look at the size of this. I am not going to time myself because that dude is a liar. That dude is a liar. Look how much 20 packs is. And he fed it his in one plate. Okay. I don't like these noodles. So, okay. Alright. 2 times nuclear hot. Let's try it. Oh yeah. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Whoa! Holy fuck. Holy shit. Oh my good god. I am not going to time myself because I'll not finish. This like, whew, that's hot. It's hot in here. Holy crap. Oh my god. Lovely. Whew. Whew. Count how many bites I actually take. Whew. Oh, my lips are going. Whew. Don't even have a drink prepared. Oh, my lips. Oh my god. Holy shit. We can... Not hoping hell I'll be able to eat all this. I feel bad, but it's a challenge. Oh. Try to do it without having a drink. Oh my god. My lips are going tingly. Holy shit. Oh my god. My lips are going tingly. Ah. I haven't ate all day just to do this. And it is now 3 o'clock. Kind of struggling. It's not like me, I can usually stick the spice. Feels like I'm just after doing the marathon. Okay. I'll quicken this up Because you have to see and hear everything. Holy crap. Mr. Green's saying a drink. I'm trying to do this without a drink. Oh, my lips. Oh. That Green was staring a hole right through me. My lips. Wow. Holy fuck. Who the fuck? Who the fuck started this challenge? Like, what? I didn't think the noodles would be that fat. Do you know, like the Maggie noodles? Nah. But these are fat noodles. I'm starving. But I feel like I'm going to be sick. Holy crap. I love spicy food, so that's why I'll try it without drinking. Because I've seen videos, everybody had a drink. Green's looking at me as if I've got 50 heads on me. I think I'm going to be sick. Every time it hits my gut, it feels like I'm going to throw up. Holy crap. Oh, my lips are like practically numb. I've lost count how many forks I've had. brain is like staring a hole right through me. Holy fuck. Spam that cunt that done 15 packs of these. There's no way he done 15 packs of these. Go look at his YouTube video. He uses one plate and that's what I'm hating to use. And look, all the spice is like just, I can't get to it. It's like all the spice is literally going to one place. Holy crap. Oh. Holy fuck. Okay, so that's not even one pack of it. I love spicy. Maybe it is one packet. 90 more packs to go. I don't think I could do this. Well, I know I don't. I know I can't do it. Oh. Getting a sucky feeling there. Okay. How do Mudbang or Mukbangers, whatever it's called, eat so damn much? Like, fucking hell. I believe that they're lying to you. Because this is 20 packs. Go look at that dude's 15 packs on one plate. Ugh. Okay. There is no hope in hell I'm ever gonna make it down to even there. Like, minutes. Can't fucking feel them. Okay, right. I'm done. I know my banger. Whatever the fuck it's called. I cannot eat all that. I cannot do massive, massive portions. I am done. I'm done. Okay. I am sorry for those who can't even afford a meal. But I wanted to try a challenge. Can I get my feeling and my lips back, please? I don't know if I'm going to be sick or not. But that dude ate 15 packs. He's a liar. Under 10 minutes. He must, I don't know. These mukbangers, like, whatever they're called, I can't say the name. How the fuck do they eat so damn much? Like, for real. I thought 20 packs would be easy. But no. I bet you 10 packs. I bet you 10 packs. I wouldn't even have done. I just wanted 20 packs because whew. I know that fella has millions and millions and millions and millions of views, like 44 million views or something. For 4 million views or something he's a liar. He's a liar. He only ate about 10 packs. What a waste. Oh, I'm feeling rough. I am feeling rough. Chill out my jogger bottoms. Dream Nation TV and my tattoo. Okay. Okay. Peace out. Oh. I don't know. I think I'm going to be sick. Can't keep his eyes off me. Okay, people. Thank you for being here. Peace out. Love yous.